Even a hummingbird likes to stay out of the rain. He's sitting there on the feeder getting himself a nice drink. Yep, there he goes. And got my buddies up here. They're on the porch out of the rain. It's Tropical Storm Lee is hitting us with a fair amount of rain. And I still hadn't got up and cleaned my gutters out from Hurricane Irene, so hope it doesn't rain too much if they start overflowing. What are you boys doing, huh? But the reason I'm going to do my video today is this is a sword I bought on eBay. As I drop my knife. And take a look at when it was mailed. August 18th. And today is September 6th. I absolutely hate parcel post shipping from the post office. It's one reason why I never use parcel post when I ship stuff. For me, I just pretty much ship priority mail. You know, this could have been a real problem. I thought this package might have been lost. But when the seller told me that it was shipped parcel post, I figured it would take a while. So it finally showed up today. So it's an old sword. So I picked out an old knife to open up the package. And I don't know how I'm going to be able to do this one-handed. But let's see. I think one of the reasons that this package took so long to get here. Take a look at this. I mean, it's a very irregular size. You know, it's not flat. Nothing normal about this package. It must have just got thrown to the side at the post office. And probably just sat there for a while. It only came from New York, from New York to Maryland, and I can drive there in just a few hours. So we're getting there. This sword is Spanish, I believe. The seller wasn't quite sure either. There's so many different variations of old swords out there. But what I liked about it was it's pretty beat up. And I love that stuff is, it looks like it's been there, seen some action maybe. You know, got some nicks in the blade here. Of course, you know, you like to think that maybe that happened during battle, but chances are it happened, some kid was whacking on a tree with it. But it's a neat looking sword. Have to do a little research on it. Value wise, not worth a whole lot, but neat looking wall hanger. sometimes it's better to buy something with a little, I don't know, this is going beyond a little bit more than patina, but it's more of a relic stage, I think. But a neat looking piece nonetheless. So I'm glad it finally came. And I would say if you're shipping stuff, always use the tracking number. That's something this guy didn't have. Made it really hard, you know, when there's no tracking number, you don't know where the package is. Always use the tracking number, and I would say always use priority mail. Try to stay away from parcel post.